starting up this snowblower after sitting all summer. I just hope that it starts. We're supposed to be getting 15 centimeters of snow in one little dump. I hope not. It's hard to say. It's raining right now, but I want to make sure this thing is going to start after setting all summer. Let's see if this thing is going to start. Gas on. Choke. So, after all summer, flick of the switch, I'm lucky. Hopefully we won't get it. I don't think we're going to get it. You know what? I'm not going to say nothing.